Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to spot new listing early on KuCoin. So just tap on my KuCoin account and officially logged in. And right now I will just scroll down. So here is you will see the trending, gainer, and the third one is new. So this is the new listing coin on KuCoin. So like example, you will see this Amos Lumos token. So I will just tap on it. So here is the chart. So if you want to buy it earlier on KuCoin, so you can just tap on this buy button and just select your order and just buy it and hold it. This is the new coin. So from here you will just set the amount, quantity, and like USDT. So like I just tap on one. So my USDT in this, I just tap on like 100. I just buy most coin in 100 quantity. So the USDT amount will be $5.204. So just tap on buy. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.